Yo, welcome to my channel. Today we have a small dispute. Some of you guys like to use the skinny looking old vacuum attachments to my left. I like using the one to my right. I don't understand why you detailers use this skinny old vacuum. Now I can still use it between the seats, but to vacuum a whole car, why do you use the vacuum attachments that's so thin and skinny, the one on my left right here? Now the one on the right here is what I use, which is the better way of doing it. Let me demonstrate to you why. I am now putting on the attachment that I don't like. Look at this, I'm vacuuming, look how skinny it is. You are not sucking up much of nothing. Yeah, I give it to you, it works in small spaces, but why do you use this? If you're going to be a detailer, a real one, you need something fatter than this. You cover more grounds to getting out the dirt. This is terrible. Look at this. I'm taking all day. I would have been done by now if I had the other attachment. Look at this. I'm zoomed in, I'll show you. Look how long it takes to vacuum this. Why do you detailers use this? Comment in the section and tell me why. This is terrible. Now this is the one you should be using. Right here. You see how thick that is? I'm attaching it to my vacuum. Watch it. Look at this. Look at this. You cover more ground. You can cover more ground. Look at this. You see how it gets it up one ground. It's white. If you're going to be a real detailer, this is what you use. You see how it's leaving the lines in there? You want to leave lines in the car so the customer feel like that you really done something. You can't really leave lines with that little skinny old thing that people like to use. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I see a lot of them guys using this, which tells me they don't have much experience. Now it does a job, but be all day with that little video, little attachment that you use.